decade ago, Thermwood introduced the first microcomputer-based router in the world, and computer-controlled routing changed forever. We introduced the first gantry-type router, a design which was destined to become a standard. We introduced the first built-in diagnostics in computer controls. We pioneered steel weldment construction, which became the norm. Grease-lubricated spindles, which also became the norm. We developed the most advanced MDI programming system in the world, a system so easy to use that it is now used to program more computer-controlled routers than any other system. Thermwood developed the first full-function micro-based CAD/CAM system for offline programming of computer-controlled routers, and the industry recognized these achievements with 2 Challenger Awards. Yes, Thermwood has led the way in computer-controlled routers for over a decade now, and the results have been spectacular. Today, Thermwood is the world leader in computer-controlled routers. In aerospace, parts produced on Thermwood equipment are virtually on every aircraft and spacecraft in production today. Windows of commercial airlines and canopies of fighter aircraft are produced on Thermwood machines. Structural honeycomb parts, titanium skins of the B-1 bomber, carbon and boron fiber-filled composite parts, tile underlayment for the space shuttle, even secret materials for our most advanced new fighter aircraft are all produced on Thermwood equipment. In the boating industry, Thermwood dominates the production of internal structural parts, with more Thermwood machines in production than any other make. In the furniture and woodworking industry, Thermwood again dominates, with more installations in more companies producing more parts than any other manufacturer. In plastics, virtually all the computer-controlled machines for trimming 3-dimensional parts have come from Thermwood, and the progress won't stop there. The latest advance, the Super Control. Although this system is commercially available and intended for the most demanding defense and military applications, the Super Control also brings to Thermwood customers a level of compatibility, flexibility, and ease unheard of before. The Super Control can accept programs written in any NC machine format in the world and run them. It is also hardware compatible. It has the ability to add any device, be it a hard disk, floppy disk, network, or maybe something not even invented yet. If it can run on an IBM PC, it can run on the Super Control. You are sure of compatibility with what exists today and compatibility with what may become necessary tomorrow. It can be programmed in a half-dozen different ways, from a handheld programmer simple enough for the average production worker to a full-function CAD/CAM system. And this is only the tip of the iceberg. The Super Control means you can do more than ever before. It is easier to do, faster, smoother, more accurate. Thermwood progress continues. We now offer the broadest line of computer-controlled routers available. And if a standard machine won't do your job, Thermwood has built more custom-designed computer-controlled routers than anyone else. But it is not just a broad line of high-performance products that has made us #1. There are 2 other vital ingredients. First, quality. A machine does you no good if it doesn't run all day, every day. Quality machines come from paying attention to every detail, detail by detail, every day. Thermwood's extensive quality assurance system carefully guards every detail on every machine. Incoming inspection checks each part for accuracy and quality. The production process is computer controlled, providing traceability on each step. And then comes final checkout. 42 pages of detailed procedures and alignment verification is completed on each machine. A 15-page mechanical checkout procedure is conducted. And then, each machine's accuracy is measured and calibrated using the most sophisticated alignment laser system, a system capable of measuring large distances to millionths of an inch. We don't just claim accuracy, we calibrate it, verify it, and certify it in writing on every machine produced. And then, each machine is run for over 100 hours to further verify that everything, absolutely everything, is operating properly. Only then will the machine ship to you, and it ships with one addition: the best warranty in the industry, a full 2 years. And the result? Almost unbelievable reliability. The downtime on Thermwood routers during the last year averaged less than 0.3%. 99.7% uptime. Unparalleled reliability. But it's not good enough. We have established a goal: 99.9% uptime. And we have developed programs to achieve it. Even today, should any of the hundreds of Thermwood machines in the field have a problem, every officer of Thermwood, from the chairman on, receives a written report. Problems can't go unnoticed. Thermwood is committed to the quality and reliability of their equipment. And one other area keeps us first: service. Thermwood has a complete corporate division devoted to only one thing: customer service. Some services come with every machine shipped: program training, installation and startup assistance, toll-free customer hotline, warranty service. But service goes beyond that. We stand ready to provide custom programming and custom fixtures, production assistance, advanced training, preventative maintenance. In fact, almost any assistance you might need is available. And as technology progresses, the new advances can be added to your machine through upgrade and retrofit programs. As your needs change, your machine can be reconfigured for new applications. Thermwood Service makes Thermwood machines immune to obsolescence. And all of these services are available to any company that owns a Thermwood machine, whether it was purchased from us or bought on the used market. Maybe that's why there are so few used Thermwood routers for sale, and they cost as much as they do.
We at Thermwood are totally dedicated to one thing: helping our customers make money with automation. Although we have installed some of the most complex automation in some of the largest companies, we have also helped over 400 small and medium-sized companies install their first computer-controlled machine. This is an area that we, as a company, target. And this experience has helped us develop real skills in anticipating problems and providing guidance. If your company is thinking of buying a computer-controlled router, whether it's your first or your 50th, take the time and talk to the people at Thermwood, where you can get more than just the best performing, highest quality machine, where you will also get the best ongoing service, help, and support available anywhere.